take 2 lanes to turn right onto Doherty Road.
新建隧道也是这样，虽然过程艰难，但只要好好努力，日后都可以获得甜美的果实。小月，你说的对哦。像愚公移山那样有毅力是很好，但还是要用对方法，不然就像愚公一样，自己埋头苦干的做，却可能没有人想交接他。
Oh, the other one was a stray. Well, whatever, dude. She knew that I was gonna probably go say hi to you. Yeah. And she went to your show.
Well, it's funny that a stray went missing around an Asian, huh?
I like it. BLM. But, and I knew that, oh my God, come meet Theo. I don't have that thing like, oh, this could backfire.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes people are like that, where like a girl will go,
Mexican pizza. It wasn't that good. What are you doing? Dude, I just saved our lives. Right? Holy shit, bro. I feel okay. I'm not scared. You alright?
She hit me on FaceTime. Baby, she know that the youngest. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car.
Did you guys hit each other?
He backed into me.
Okay, I got a dash cam. Do what?
Did you see it?
Yeah, I have a dash cam as well.
Yeah. Yeah, you backed. Hey, I'm sorry. I just was backed into. I am on. Remind me the.
that white car? Did it actually hit?
To follow our example in cracking down on that government. And if you're for human rights, if you're for democracy, if you're against nations, to follow our example in cracking down on that government. And if you're for human rights, if you're for democracy, if you're against
a lot of them didn't really talk to one another. They didn't really know each other's, what each other was into, but they'd be transferring calls across between them, and it was like a bit impersonal. So it's better if people could get to know each other. So